Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Good evening. I hope you are in the good condition. So we're gonna make debate, but first let me introduce our team. The first is Nikade Ayu Novianti, and the second is Igusti Ayu Agung Cahyani Pratiwi, and me, Ibu Cynthia Fridayanti. Next slide, please. So we are into the topic about TikTok. Do you have a TikTok apps? Maybe all of you have these apps and using this app, right? But if you don't know about these apps, let me explain about it. So as we know, work or platform by short video with many variety of content that attract by viewers. In TikTok, we can watch video until 3 minutes. Also in TikTok, we can find many interesting video like comedy, daily routine, beauty, etc. So the topic that we want to discuss is should be TikTok banned? So who wants to show the opinion first? Any? Okay, please.
Okay, I don't agree with this sentence because, in my opinion, TikTok is a medium to channel people's aspiration. Action already exists in several countries, one of which is Indonesia. You can see the picture of the screen. That explain the R7 countries with the most TikTok use. This proves that many people like TikTok. With the TikTok application, we can create videos or content that can help people are starting to make creative videos and become TikTokers or become content creator. It can change the lives of those who used to have nothing, become rich and even more so. The TikTok application also helps us entertain ourselves because of the many funny content in it. We can also listen to song, watching movies or a drama, and find out the latest new through the with TikTok application. If the TikTok application is banned, it will definitely cause a lot of loss from the TikTok company itself and to people who make a living through TikTok. This will make people sad, annoyed, and even angry, and can do things that should not be done. To prevent this negative thing, you need insight into using the TikTok application and being able to use the TikTok application wisely. I don't think banning the TikTok application is a good solution. Okay, that's all for my opinion. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, thank you for your opinion about TikTok ban. So maybe another opinion, please.
Okay, thank you for the time given to me. And now I will explain about opinion, and I'm agree with statement about TikTok should be banned because in the TikTok application, many people upload negative content. Many children have TikTok accounts so they can view the content and it will have a very bad impact on children's development. On TikTok too, many people make videos to bring down someone's self-esteem by blaming the person in question, and it makes people who are the mean into depression and eventually many cases of suicide. Not a few people also upload personal things here, so there is not longer someone's privacy. Here I will explain the reasons why TikTok should be banned. And first one, tigers accept narcissists. To support the attitude of narcissists, TikTok users are willing to do anything to catch the number of likes. This makes TikTok users behave strangely. Now there are lots of posts on social media that mock this app and its users. In fact, some people have nicknamed TikTok's users the generation of destroying the moral of the nation because almost its users do not attach any importance the moral value in all the videos they make. And then number two, the majority of users are under 18 years old. While TikTok contains a lot of inappropriate content, almost the average user of the TikTok application is under 18 years old. In fact, the majority are children aged between 5 until 10 years old, elementary school age. Of course, this is dangerous for the mental development of the next generation. Their touch and stench tend to be unstoppable. At first glance, there is indeed a lot of content on TikTok that is not suitable for children, especially children aged between 5 until 10 years old. Children of this age are very vulnerable to being contaminated with various negative influence, which of course can arise from their viewing and activity on the TikTok application. In addition, Kominfo pornography content, which of course was not only inappropriate but very dangerous for minors. And then number three, child exploitation while open. Indirectly, this application becomes a big door for child exploitation. Some viral content is used by certain parties to become something that produce commercial value. This is certainly not good for the mental development of children before adulthood. And then number four, potential for cyberbullying. The TikTok application mostly provides short videos that are approximately 15 seconds long. Many children upload video of themselves. Some are suddenly famous. However, this TikTok application can also be seen or watched by people of all ages and from various circles. In fact, sometimes children have the character of doing excessive action. Their excessive action can strike adults who are not wise to cyberbullying. In fact, minors tend to have unstoppable emotion. So the TikTok application can also treat cultural development in Indonesia because foreign culture that enter Indonesia come from someone's upload on social media, especially on the TikTok application, which is watched by the Indonesian people and it critique non-military. Rich and sometimes the parties concerned did not feel guilty at all. In fact, he also enjoyed the foreign culture, and the government must act more quickly against any infiltration that destroy the nation culture in any form. So, in many opinions, the TikTok application should be banned so that the development of the mind and character of the younger generation can be improved for the better and no longer affected by things that are not useful from watching content on the TikTok application. Okay, that's all my opinion. Thank you.
All right. Thank you for your opinion. And next slide, please. Okay, now we are into the conclusion section. The conclusion section will be so we are discuss is about the TikTok apps. Some of you agree about using TikTok, but another opinion said you disagree about using TikTok. Okay, now I will discuss about the agree opinion first. You know that TikTok is really famous for nowadays. Many people using this app for fun, like children, teenager, adults, and also the parents too. And this app really educate us, right? So I think everyone can use this app, and or Indonesia, that's mean that Indonesian people really enjoy about the TikTok apps. Also in TikTok, we can find a fun video, inspirative video, also the recommending. Like I guess everyone spend their time just for the scroll TikTok, right? Yeah, yeah, I know. And also in TikTok, we not only watching the video and save the video, but we can make our own video with our creativity in FYP, or we say for your page. Made interesting for us. That's my opinion. Now we are to the for the disagree opinion. I think that I know TikTok make us addicted and always spend time a lot of that just see the video or just seeing the screens. But you have to know that too much spend a lot of time, it's make many negative impacts. For example, like antisocial, we cannot do interaction in our real world. Hard to find friends. And also, this is really dangerous. Forget the activities or productivities that we have to do. And like you said before, TikTok has the bad or negative content like body shaming, digression, or a religion. Using TikTok with no manners, like make a hate video or trying to hate comment. Student or teenager, how to using TikTok with nice and good. We can educate them. If if they see the uneducated content or annoying content, we can say that just skip the video, don't type a hate comment. I think that's all for my conclusion. Okay, for close with Paramasanti. Om Santi 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 Om.
Om Santi 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 Om.
Om Santi 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 Om.
Dadah.